Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on OnePlus Nord 3 5G. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox. And click search. Now click install. And click open. Here you can change some settings of your browser, or you can just scroll down and click start browsing. And now, as you can see, you can use your Firefox browser just like any other internet browser. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe.